Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. This video will give you a brief demonstration of working of LOGIC Business Ultimate software in an apparel retail store. First of all, we will create an account of Supplier. Enter the name and define account type as Supplier. Click on Other Details to enter the contact details and address. Also define sale nature and GST details. Bank details can also be added in Other Details. You can also create salesmen, agents or brokers. Simply type a name and short name. Setup Company option allows you to create companies of items. Scroll down to the end of the screen and enter the desired company name and a short name. You can also set up various go-downs. Let us now look at the grouping of items. Set up Item Groups option allows you to arrange the items into different groups. Different categories of apparel items can be created and items can be allocated into them. Similarly, you can use other criteria such as gender, season, etc. You can create up to 30 group categories like these. Let us look at how the items are set up. Type the name of item and choose the category to which it belongs. Item image can also be inserted, which will be displayed while billing. Also allocate the item into other groups and fill in other required details. You can choose multiple companies for single item. Also tick as many pack sizes as required. Similarly, select multiple shades for the item. Click on Preview to see the item, shade and size-wise. Then, save it. Now let us enter a purchase voucher. First we will look at the manual way of entering purchase bill. Enter the supplier name and other details such as bill number and bill date. Now, enter the item name. All the sizes of that item will appear in the form of a list. Select one. Choose lot from the search list or create a new one and enter other required details such as quantity, rates and discounts. Next, pack sizes of the same item are being entered automatically with same details. You just have to press Enter key. You can also change the details if needed. This makes the process faster. All sizes of the item have been entered quickly. This option can also be disabled in the purchase voucher configuration. Simply untick the option. Click on View Totals to see the gross amount, discount in rupees, amount of tax and net amount. Press F2 to see the account entry of the bill. Let us enter another item, the amount of which is less than 1,000 rupees. As you can see, 5% tax has been applied in this case. And 12% has been applied in case the amount is more than 1,000 rupees. This slab can be changed if needed. A prompt of Go Down selection appears at the end. Select the appropriate Go Down in which you want to save the stock of the entered items. Purchase voucher can also be entered through Excel sheet. Browse the Excel sheet from your system and click on Refresh. All the items in the Excel sheet will appear. Invalid items, if any, will appear here. Since there are no invalid items, we will move forward to save this voucher. Enter the supplier name and go down name. And click on Save Bill. Purchase voucher has been saved. Let us check this in the Purchase Voucher window. Click on Modify and search the purchase bill. The purchase voucher has been entered. The process of entering a purchase return is quite similar to that of purchase voucher. Simply enter the supplier name and other details. Enter the item and choose lot number. The rates will be automatically picked. The stock transfer go down wise option enables you to transfer the stock from one go down to another. Select go down from and go down to. There are multiple ways to enter items. You can click on Transfer All Stock to move all the items just by one click. Another way is to retrieve the items from an Excel file. Browse the file from your system and save it just like we did in Purchase Voucher. Apart from these, you can enter the items manually in Item Details. Carry forward pack sizes option is also available here. Just tick the option in the configuration and save it. Let us now look at some schemes that can be applied in LOGIC ERP and the process of applying them. As you can see, a variety of schemes can be set up, which includes free gifts, a discount in the form of percentage, or in the form of an amount. Let us look at the process of applying one of these schemes. Type a name of the scheme and mention the dates within which the scheme will be active and click on Save. Move to the Groups tab and select the scheme. Type a group name and select group type on which the scheme will be applied. Here, we will apply company-wise or brand-wise scheme. Now select the company on which the scheme is to be applied. Now we will set up slab details of the scheme. Mention the minimum quantity after which the scheme will be applicable, and select quantity or value as the basis of the scheme. Now mention the details of the free item. Scheme has been set up. We will now see its effect on sale bill. Scan the barcode in the item code column to enter the items. Let us suppose that a customer purchased 2 jeans of Arrow Company. The bill amount becomes 4,198 rupees. But when we will save or print the bill, a screen will be prompted. After selecting the scheme, discount has been applied. This means that the item of lower value has been issued as free item. The colored item is the free one. The net amount of the bill becomes 2,199 rupees. Logic ERP also has an option of setting up gift vouchers. Simply give a prefix to the gift vouchers and enter the range. Enter the amount of the gift voucher. You can also enter the expiry date if you want. Click on Save. "15 gift vouchers of 500 rupees each have been created. Now we will see its usage while billing. Suppose a customer has presented a gift voucher. It will be adjusted in the payment window. Click on Gift Voucher and select one. ₹500 have been adjusted in the payment. Rest of the bill amount can be paid by the customer by cash or any other method. Let us see how can the payment by gift vouchers be seen in the reports. Account-wise daily sale report displays the amount of daily sale along with the payment modes. Here, ₹500 are being reflected in gift voucher. Similarly, another option of discount coupons is also available. Coupons can be in the form of both percentage and amount. Give a prefix and range, just like gift vouchers. Then, enter a discount percentage or scheme rupees. You can also enter a minimum amount after which the discount coupon will be applicable. Date range option is also available. "20 discount coupons have been created. Now we will see its usage while billing. Suppose a customer has presented a discount coupon. Discount coupon option is available in Retail Customer Setup window. Click on Discount Coupon and select 1. "15% discount has been applied on the bill." You can also set up loyalty points for retail customers in LOGIC ERP. Define how many rupees will be equal to 1 loyalty point, and at least how many points should be earned for redemption. In this case, a customer should have at least 50 points for redemption. You can also define the value of 1 point. Let us look at its working in sale bill. Before that, let me tell you that you can also choose salesman while billing, which you had created in Setup Agents Brokers window. After filling in the items, enter the contact number and name of the retail customer in case it is a new customer and save it. Also save the bill. Now we will make another sale bill of the same customer. After filling in the items, enter the contact number of the customer and the details will appear automatically. Total loyalty points of the customer can be seen here. While saving the sale bill, a message will be prompted. Click yes or no as per your choice. If you click on yes, another window opens where you can enter how many points the customer wants to redeem. Here, we have redeemed 70 points. So the net amount of the bill comes down from 21.99 to 21.29 rupees. By clicking on print, the bill will get saved and printed. You can get the printing customized as per your needs. Suppose that a customer comes to exchange a particular item. You can enter sale return in the sale bill itself. Enter the new item and click on Enter Returns to exchange the old item. As soon as you select the lot number, a window showing sale bills of that item will appear. Select the sale bill against which the item is being returned. How simple is that? Another case can be where a customer has come to exchange an item, but the new item is not available at the moment. In this case, a credit note of the same value of the returned item is issued to the customer, which can be retrieved later on. This type of credit note is generated in Sale Challan Return. The process of retrieval is simple. Enter the details of the customer and click on Retrieve Challan. Pending challans of the customer will appear. Select the one that you want to retrieve and enter the new item. The customer has to pay only the balance of the two items. Now let us suppose that you have to make a payment to your supplier through check. It will be entered in bank payments. Select the bank account from the list. You can also predefine the narrations in all account vouchers. Enter the required details. While entering payments or receipts, pending bills are displayed. Click on the bills against which the payment is to be adjusted. Barcodes can also be printed from LOGIC ERP. Purchase-wise barcodes allow you to select purchase bills. Barcodes for the items in the selected purchase bill can be generated. Enter the number of labels that you want to print per item. You can get the barcodes designed as per your requirements. LOGIC ERP has an amazing option for the purpose of auditing the stock. The physical versus actual stock option allows you to do so. Select the go down, the stock of which is to be audited. You can also apply company-wise and group-wise filters. After applying all filters, click on Refresh Stock. This is the actual stock in the software. Now scan the barcode of the physical stock here. The quantity in physical stock column keeps increasing as you keep scanning. The difference in both the quantities will appear in the difference column. After scanning all the stock, save the document. You can check the document in the stock reports. Select the document that you want to view and click on Create. Before correcting the difference between actual and physical stock, we will check the quantity of closing stock in warehouse. There are 221 units of closing stock according to the software. In order to correct the difference between actual and physical stock, we will issue or receive the stock against the audit document. The excess stock in the software has been issued, and any shortages have been received just by one click. Let us now again check the closing stock in the software. Simply press F2 to create the report again. After issue and receipt, the quantity of closing stock has changed to 15. After entering all the records, let us see how you can create reports in LOGIC ERP. First of all, we will create Ledger, which is one of the most important reports in a business. Filters have been given in every report on the right-hand side. Select the account of which you want to create the ledger. You can also type and search it. Entry-wise ledger has been created. The dues aging analysis is used to check the current dues and outstanding amount. You can also see which bills are overdue and by how many days. Let us have a look at some sale reports as well. The Sale Register Summary Report displays the sale bills in a condensed form. Similarly, the Sale and Sale Return Register Detailed displays the sale bills in an elaborated manner with item name, lot number, quantity, rates and discounts. Items in red depict sale return items. Account-wise daily sale report displays the amount of daily sale along with the payment modes. Apart from these, you can also check the sale according to various item groups like category, gender, season, etc. This report shows the sale of different categories of apparel items. There are various salesman reports also. This report displays salesman plus party-wise sales in a consolidated manner. You can also check day-wise, item-wise or month-wise profitability. Loss is shown in red with a negative sign. This report will display the profit or loss earned by you over different months of the year. Sale Register Size-Wise Report is used to check the sale of different sizes of apparel items. On the basis of this report, you can check which sizes of the item are the most in demand and which are the least. For example, 28 size has been sold the most. The Purchase Register Summary Report displays the purchase bills in a condensed manner. Double-click on the bill number to zoom down to that voucher. You can make changes to the voucher and save it. Click on Purchase Register Detailed to see the purchase vouchers in an elaborated way with item name, lot number, discount details, etc. Click on the Excel button to copy the report in Microsoft Excel. This button can be found in every report. Some special reports are available for retail customers. The Customer Point Ledger report displays the points earned and redeemed by the customer along with their value and balance points. The Retail Customer-Wise Sale Analysis Report is used to check the sale in a detailed manner, according to different retail customers, along with their contact number, address, and other details. Stock Query Size Wise report exhibits the current stock of each item plus style along with different sizes. The group-wise stock and sale report is used to see the opening stock, purchase, sale, issue, receipt, returns and stock of each category. The Stock Query tab has many stock reports. Closing Stock Item-Wise report is used to check the stock in hand according to each item name. You can double-click on the item name to zoom down to its stock ledger. The stock movement analysis is used to check the time period within which the items get sold. Items which are sold within 0 to 15 days are fast-moving items. Similarly, you can also check slow-moving items. The stock aging analysis is used to check how old the stock is. As you can see, this stock has been lying for 61 to 90 days. Most of the stock is more than 120 days old. The stock purchased recently is showing in 0 to 15 days column. On this basis, you can decide to sell the old stock on a discount. You can also file GST returns from LOGIC ERP. Select the GSTR that you want to generate. Enter the date and click on Generate. Returns can either be submitted automatically or manually by preparing JSON. Simply select the GSTR that you want to create and click on Generate. Reconciliation of GSTR2 can be done in LOGIC ERP. Choose the format of the file and browse it from your system. GSTR2A data can also be fetched online. Similarly, GSTR3B can also be submitted automatically or manually by preparing JSON. Apart from these, other GSTR forms are also available. Thank you for watching this video. For more software-related updates, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon.